Let's oil our hair to elevate our hair game. That is the number one thing. If you want better hair, if you have thinning hair, oil your hair. I promise you it will make such a difference. I'm going to be using some sunflower oil. I'm also going to be using some black seed oil from Granada because this is actually really good for hair thinning. Put like 2. I'm also going to do lemongrass essential oil because this is amazing for hair growth. I did about like 20 drops. I'm also going to do some peppermint. Peppermint is going to help stimulate the blood flow. I'm only going to do about like 6 of these. Okay. Let's mix. You also want to do a scalp massage, which is going to actually help stimulate the blood flow. Do this for like 5-10 minutes, however long you can do it. A scalp massage every day is literally going to give you the most beautiful, luscious, healthy hair. I oil my hair in sections because I have a lot of it. Like, I haven't been oiling my hair. This is how dry my hair has been. It's not cute. I used to take such amazing care of my hair. I have so many hair videos on YouTube of like my hair care routine before being mom because I would prioritize it more before being mom. But now I'm trying to get back at it because my hair being dry is not it. Look at this like dandruff that I have here. My scalp is just dry. So if your hair looks like this, you probably have dry scalp. Like, look at that. I like to part it right down the middle. I actually do sections. Okay, I'm actually gonna put it into here. Perfect. It helps if you have a dropper, so I just put into one of these little containers like this. Didn't break. Also, take some into your palm, and then I'd like to just run it through my hair. Make sure you get your scalp. Granada's essential oils are essential oils I truly trust because other companies actually put a lot of synthetics. So they're the safest ones on the market. They're so affordable. They're amazing quality, and they're the only essential oils that I use in my home. Okay. Now a little scalp massage. Do this however long you can. Just sit and watch your show, drink your coffee, and do a little scalp massage. I'm gonna be leaving this overnight. The minimum, you wanna leave it on for like 30 minutes for it to actually like penetrate into your hair. Minimum is 30 minutes. Medium is like 2 hours. And if you can, leave it in overnight. You wanna do it in circular motions. This motion here is going to help stimulate the blood flow. If you have hair thinning, you want to make sure that you're putting the oil on there and doing a scalp massage because that is going to trigger the hair to grow there. I know we all want to have that nice, beautiful hair on the beach this summer. So start now. On to the next section. Some in the palm, some in here. I used to have blonde hair. Here's a picture of how my hair used to look. I know it was actually so healthy even though it was so light, but it's because I took care of my hair, oiled my hair. My stylist was amazing. I love my blonde hair. I just don't like sitting in the chair forever. I don't have the patience for it. I like to also do this to make sure that I'm getting like everything in there. Here we go again. And if you don't wash your hair as often, you notice that your hair is going to fall a lot more than a person who washes their hair like every day. Like the amount of hair that is coming out. And because I don't take care of my hair as I would before. 2, because I don't wash my hair every day. When you have a kid, it takes a lot of you, nutrition-wise and everything. I mean, flamingos literally lose their color when they become moms. But we're trying to take care of ourselves more because I miss having that luscious, nice, moisturized, bouncy, voluminous hair. I really do. There it is, all oiled up. Look at this hair falling off. And then I'm gonna go in with the scalp massager and just massage away. I actually have a heat cap because I got sent this a couple years ago, and this works amazing. You can put it in the microwave, but if you're not fond of putting it in the microwave, I completely understand. You can also just use saran wrap and then like cover your head. So you want to make sure that the heat is trapped because that is going to help your hair grow. I'm not going to put this in the microwave. I don't do this all the time because of the UV rays, because I think like that too. Let's put this in the microwave. Okay, now it's warm. Also, if you want to prevent breakage, you want to make sure that you're never brushing your hair when it's dry. You always want to make sure you have like conditioner in it. I'm going to braid this back. This overnight with the heat trapped in is going to give you amazing results, but it is kind of tight. Like, I'm going to leave this in for like an hour and then I'm going to switch to this just because it's more comfortable for me. I'm going to leave this in this container and just like refill this one. Okay, ya me tengo que bañar. Buenas noches. Let me know if you try this out.